Hi, I'm Mom.
Hi, I'm Emma. We're doing this for the second time.
Today, we're going to be unboxing our Love with Food box. Alright, so this one is a monthly subscription. We get the small one for $10 a month. So this has, oh, let's see what's in it. We haven't got this before. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Here's the card. Spring has sprung, a simple pleasure I love. And then I guess we're supposed to fill that in. Oh, we're discovering joy. Well, there you go. Bye, box.
Hi, Mom. The cat enjoyed that.
Alright. Okay, here's the stupid thing we just did, guys. Alright, so we did a tasting video. We filmed the whole thing. And the producer forgot to turn the sound on.
Dumb. Right here.
So, we tasted everything. But there's no sound. So what we're going to do is in the beginning of the video when we're unboxing it, we're just going to put our opinions right on the screen. So then you know what we thought. So, there you go. Sorry about that. Okay.
Alright.
So,
let's start with that one.
Let's start with this one. This is a Natural Cuts Old Wisconsin Turkey Snack Stick. So that's dried meat. So they will try that at a different time because I'm not eating that.
What?
Dried meat is gross.
Oh,
Alright. So our next thing, we've got this in our
first box.
Snack Nation or something. But it's bunches of crunches. And it's by Bakery on Main. It's a Superfood Granola. Alright, so these are the Crave and Rave Bikers Bite-Sized Crackers. It's El Nacho Cheese. Baked, not fried. What was once bland is now amazing.
I've had this before. It was good. It's mine now.
Alright. And next we have the Good Bean Sea Salt Crunchy Chickpeas with 4 grams of protein. Oh, I like the crunchy chickpeas. I've made them myself. Never tried a prepackaged version before.
I like chickpeas, so.
It'll be fun. We'll try those.
Yeah.
Alright. Ooh! Real Fruit Twist. Strawberry candy. This is licorice. This is Mommy's.
Yes, nobody else in this household likes licorice.
This is Mama's. Alright, so this is licorice. It has no high fructose corn syrup.
Ugh.
110 calories, 1.5 servings per container.
Did you say because it had no high fructose corn syrup in it?
Okay, you know what? I don't like it, but it makes everything better, and I don't know why.
Alright, so this looks delicious. There, did you show it to the camera yet?
Not yet. It's been in your hand the whole time.
This, for the small box, I'm pretty impressed with this.
Yeah, this is really like a lot
Mighty
of snacks.
Sesame Co. Tahini Bar. Oh yeah, we got that in our Snack Nation box too.
I did not enjoy it.
That's like chocolate suspended and I don't know. It wasn't bad. It was real
Because the
crumbly
Snack
though.
Nation ended up being $5, right? Is that what it was?
Yeah, the Snack Nation is $5 a month.
Yeah.
But that had 6 snacks. How many are we at so far with this
1,
one?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, we're
Over
at 6
6.
already.
So we'll have, so this is 7. So we'll have 9 total. So,
That's pretty fair.
and we don't have to do a survey for this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so this one is oven baked almond rice pops with blueberries. Oh, yum.
Blueberries.
180 degree snacks. Huh. That looks interesting. It's like crispy rice and nuts and fruit. I'm gonna do Mommy's too. Mommy's really getting a haul this week.
I really want to try these.
Oh, these?
Yeah, those look good.
I know. Incredipuffs. Cinnamon apple pie flavored.
Ooh.
Oh, so they're like
Ooh, that sounds really good.
sweet Cheetos.
Yeah.
You know, the puffs. Oh! One package, 100 calories. Oh, that's not even terrible. So are they corn puffs? Yep, cornmeal's first ingredient.
Wow.
Okay, so they're basically like those look good.
I really want them.
We will share.
I don't have them. Oh.
All right.
There will be blood tonight.
So the last thing in here is, ooh, the dark chocolate cherry cashew kind bar. We got one of these in a Snack Nation box too.
Did I enjoy them?
I think
Yeah, we all pretty much enjoyed it.
No, you hated it. You didn't like it either.
Oh.
I liked it.
You?
Just me.
No.
She's tricking us.
No, you liked it. I don't think Emma liked it.
No,
No,
I liked
everybody liked it.
I
Oh, those are
didn't.
super good.
No,
You
I
did
didn't.
not? Well, then you don't. Then I'll have your bite. It's fine.
No. No.
He'll eat it just to spite.
Everyone gets a third of my bite.
All right, and then we got some advertising materials at the bottom.
Well, everyone loves advertising materials.
Yeah.
They taste the best.
All right. So actually, for $10 a month, this is the small one. Oh, I wonder what the big ones are like. This is what we got: 9 snacks, $10.
It is pretty good. I mean, especially if you consider that these meat snacks are not generally cheap.
Oh, yeah,
No,
no,
those are
they're
like $3 just for that.
Yeah, I mean, depending on if you get the really cheap lame ones, they're 99 cents. But yeah, the nicer ones are up to $3 a piece. So that's a pretty good deal overall.
Some of these things we have had before, but everything we've had before we liked. Anyway, have a good day. Look, we've got snacks.
Bye.
So there's another fun and fantabulous episode. Please like and subscribe below. Follow us on Twitter at OurDorky to get alerts on when we post new videos, or email us at ourdorkyfamily@gmail.com with any questions or comments. See you next time.